Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have my Crockpot, and then I have this is a device. It's a little rubber seal thing. It's going to keep the top of the Crockpot on when I travel or do anything or move it around. So this is it here. You see, look at that. It comes with this rubber piece here, and you just put it over there, and then you can strap it around the handles like that. And I'll do this one around here, and look at that. So now this is going to be held on. So now if I take it in the car to go places, to go do a lunch or something like that, the top's not going to fall off. So it's totally cool and super simple and easy. And you see it just goes right up there. Oh, and actually can just go right around that lip even too. I'm not going to have it around the other lip. It's got lots of lips on here. Well, that one won't connect it up. But yeah, but you get the idea. I would just put it around the handle like that and around this handle like that. And I am good to go. I could pick it up from that. So really cool. So that's going to be handy and useful and totally awesome. And this is the item there. It just says store silicone lid lock. So it actually does what it needs to do. And look at how adjustable it is. If I had smaller ones, I could connect up to the smaller holes as well. And then when I get to where I'm going, I could just use this. I could even use this if I take the pot out of its thing here. I could use that as a trivet. So really cool. Thumbs up for sure.